Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make payment on Capital One. So to set up bill payment, you need to first sign in into Capital One. From within your 360 checking account, select Pay Bills. You should set up bill payment through Capital One online bill pay services at least 4 days before the due date. So next is you need to locate a vendor name and follow the steps there to set up a recurring payment from your new Capital One checking account. If you're billed from another bank account, you should sign in to your old bank account and remove the recurring payment from there. Now, to set up an auto pay, you need to sign in to Capital One and from within your 360 checking account, select Pay Bills. Locate the vendor name and follow the steps there to set up recurring payment from your new Capital One checking account. When a company or person has been chosen for payment, you can then select Set Up Auto Pay, enter the amount, first send on date, frequency, duration for your payment. Sign up to receive email notifications and payments, and that's basically it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.